All right, I see you fussing with your chicken dish here. What have you got? I see chickpeas.
So it's a sheet pan chicken with chickpeas. Really simple.
I just picked that up.
Oh, well, let's,
It was there.
so let's try the chickpeas.
So it's just done in the sheet pan.
Mm-hmm.
Nice. It looks like it's got a yellowy tinge to it. What's that? Brings that in.
Turmeric.
That would make sense.
Mm-hmm.
All right, so I got some onions. I got some chickpeas. How hot is it?
It's not hot.
Okay.
It's good. And it's great because it all cooks completely on this sheet pan. Super easy.
Chickpeas too.
Chickpeas too, everything. Throw it on, away you go. So here's what I did. First things first, I started out with the chicken thighs and salt and pepper on both sides. And if you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe now and smash that notification bell so you find out about our new videos as soon as they come out. Then I made the marinade for the chicken, which is yogurt, turmeric, plus a little salt and pepper. And the juice from 1 lemon. Put that all in a bowl, stirred it up. Stuck the chicken in, made sure the chicken was coated on both sides, and then set that aside for about a half an hour at room temperature, or you could do this the day ahead and put it in the fridge overnight. Next up was the chickpeas, so I put them in a bowl, along with some more turmeric, fennel seed, ground cumin, plus a little salt and pepper. And the onions. Gave that a squirt of olive oil and stirred it up completely. Poured the chickpea mixture onto this sheet pan. Put the chicken on top. And stuck that in the oven.
That's it?
That's it. Super simple. Goes in the oven, cooks on this sheet, done like dinner.
Now, what do you think you would put it with? Does it come with a sauce or anything, or is this straight up how it should be?
Well, there's a little bit of sauce in the bottom,
yes,
which will be really flavorful.
on like rice or
Put it on rice.
whatever you want.
Yep.
Rice.
So the
Potatoes.
rice is in the kitchen in the house, ready to
Okay.
go.
All right. In that case,
And you could spice this differently. So you could add different spicing to this as well as the turmeric.
so you could go with like any theme that you want. You could have a Moroccan kind of theme,
That's
or
right.
what would be classic, considered kind of Central American kind of
Yes.
spices.
Completely.
Throw in a little chipotle.
Yeah. So this one is fairly plain, but you know, hit it with all of those other flavors, and you could take it anywhere.
Yeah, because it's just chickpeas and chicken.
But let's take it to the kitchen and eat it.
All right, I need some hot mitts though.
Cool.